Hey guys, so I am back. As you may or may not know, it has been a while since I have posted any video. But life has been lifing, but I am definitely back. And I just have a couple of things that I just recently picked up. I want to show you guys. I'm sure you may have already seen this, but I've been meaning to get it for a while. I have the vegan leather iPhone case from Moft. As I said before, it is leather. It has 3 feet of drop protection. It does include a lanyard anchor, and it has a pretty lifted camera ring. I also picked up the tripod stand. I thought that was pretty cool. So we'll get more into that. But here are some of the things that are included. And as you can see, I have opened it, because I just couldn't wait. But I am still going to show you, the full unboxing experience. Alright, so with no further ado, let's go ahead and, try it out with these 2 phones. I have the black and the natural titanium iPhones here, and I'll try them on both. So the box is, pretty unique. It's just pretty straight to the point also. Just kind of pops out. I thought this blue is very cool, very vibrant. I've never had an iPhone case this color, so I thought that would be pretty cool. And here is the little lanyard thing. And obviously the lanyard doesn't come with this case. I may pick it up later on, but obviously right now I don't have it. So I'll just put that back for now, and maybe later I'll test that out. So real quick, before we go ahead and put it on, I do want to just show some of the inside details on this case. It's really nice. It has like these dots, kind of going in a circle on that MagSafe ring. Looks very good. It says designed by Moft, and it has like a little indentation right there where the that lanyard thing would have went. My favorite part about this case would have to be the buttons. Like, look how nice they look. Such a beautiful color. Then you get that Moft logo right there near the camera ring. Alright, so let's go ahead and put it on. I have the black iPhone 15 Pro Max. Wow, that's dirty. Go ahead and try to wipe it down a little bit. Alright, I guess that's going to have to be good enough. I don't really know where my microfiber cloth is. I had one from Apple, but I have not been able to find it lately. But yep, here it is. It's pretty easy to snap on. And oh my gosh, doesn't it look so beautiful against that black? So stealthy. Buttons are super tactile. Let me show you. Yeah, that's real good. Power button just the same. Looks very good. And it feels super amazing in the hands. Nice amount of lip protection around the camera. And how can it get any better? Alright, and I'm going to try it out on the natural titanium and see how that looks. I'm sure it'll look just as good. Yeah. That gray and that blue, such a nice contrast. But in my personal opinion, I still would go with the black. For this case. Probably the white titanium would probably look even better, and obviously especially the blue titanium would look good too. I would assume. And here's just a brief comparison of, you know, the Apple case from last year for the 14 Pro Max, and just how different the leathers kind of look. The buttons are way better to me, in my opinion, on the Moft case. They kind of protrude out a little bit more, which gives it a better look, in my opinion. As you can see, I've taken some wear and tear on this leather one from Apple, but you know, that's what makes it unique. And then this is, you know, Apple's replacement for the leather case this year, which is kind of the reason why I went with this vegan leather case from Moft, because we didn't get that leather option this year. And as you know, I've said in my previous videos, this one is nice, but you know, you can't go wrong with a good leather case. So I'm going to go ahead and get over to the tripod stand. It says small yet powerful, vertical mode, horizontal mode, pocket size. It has a couple different angles you can try it out with. So this thing is pretty loaded with different things you can do with it, especially for those that are like creators out here. And it does include the magnetic ring, but I probably, not gonna lie, I'm probably not gonna use it. Really not sure what I would use it for, but yeah, that's there if needed. So right off the bat, this thing has a little weight to it, which is no issue. It just makes me feel like it's good quality. So yeah, it has that Moft logo on the back of it as well. And I'm gonna go ahead and, you know, try to put it on and see. Oh, very quick grip. Snapped on very tight, very quickly, which tells me that the magnet is super strong, which is a good thing. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and set it up as a tripod, because that's probably mostly what I would use it for, hence the name. So there's one angle. Then you got this one. Then you can kind of even use it like as a selfie stick in a way. Pretty cool. And here's just an example of, you know, how you could use this on the go as a content creator. You're trying to record something or take a quick photo of something, hands-free. How can you beat that? On the back, it has some writing that says work, create anywhere. I'm going to see if I can get a little close up on that. This thing is pretty cool, but like I said, it's a little heavy, so be prepared to gain a couple of extra pounds on your iPhone if you're going to wear this often on your phone. And to answer your question, this definitely will work without the case. So you don't have to have the case. You can just pick up this stand and it'll still work. Yep. Alright guys, and that is going to be just about it for today. You can definitely pick this up on Moft's website or Amazon. I believe the stand is going to be $40 and the case is $50. And that's going to be it for today. All right, bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe.